Son of a... What's up, everybody? Rob here. You are watching yourself another episode of Hack Job. Didn't see that one coming, huh? F***ing throwback. Didn't see any of this coming, am I right? I was actually gonna start a whole other new series, as I like to do, called Man vs. Virus. But I wasn't sure whether or not YouTube would monetize it. Wasn't going to take the risk. Depending on when you're watching or from which planet, Earth is currently under quarantine. We are in a state of emergency, or at least the United States is. Well, pretty much the entire goddamn planet is. We are in pandemic mode. People are self-quarantining themselves as the coronavirus spreads and unleashes its fury upon the masses. Is it the end of times? I don't know. We'll see. But that is where the inspiration for today's project comes from. The world is losing their goddamn mind over toilet paper. They're hoarding it, stockpiling it, fucking going nuts. Who would have thought? At least Americans are. Europeans, they've got fucking bidets. They figured this shit out years ago. They don't even fucking use toilet paper. They're looking out over here. They're like, what the fuck are they doing? Over in Asia, in Japan, they got electronic toilets. They've got toilets that just fucking shoot water up your ass. Little robots come out and fucking clean your ass for you. They don't use toilet paper. But today we're gonna be cooking with this. Today, a lot of you may be very angry with what I'm about to do with this toilet paper. A couple of weeks ago, you wouldn't have given a flying fuck, but this is going to be for the sake of science. I am sacrificing my toilet paper for you. For the good of mankind, really. Oh, the kettle. The kettle is about to go off for our first experiment. Hold on. Okay, all right, enough. All right, we'll get to that in a second. Let me explain to you what's going on with that. You see, I also started a podcast. A podcast? Well, it's kind of not really a podcast. I think we just became a podcast. It's more of a vlog. Okay, enough. Jesus Christ. I started a vlog, a self-quarantine vlog over on my personal channel, the Rob Czar channel. If you go over there, that's really where the inspiration for this set of DIY projects came from. I got a call from my dad, one of those parental phone calls to make sure that everything's okay, you know, make sure you're prepared for the apocalypse.
What about filters on your air conditioning? You got good filters. You got to be prepared. Well, the main thing is you've got enough toilet paper.
He gave me the whole rundown of why toilet paper, is super important.
Toilet paper can be used for a lot of different things.
What else?
Cooking with toilet paper. I mean, it's like, if you have no power, you just take a couple rolls of toilet paper, light them up, those things will burn for an hour. Cook anything you want on. Better than charcoal. But you don't add anything. You don't want to add any fluids or anything. You know, spray them. Just the way they are. Just get the match to them. They will heat up your food.
Huh.
And then there's always using them for filtering water. You can filter your coffee, whatever you want to filter. A lot of uses for toilet paper. It's amazing.
To see more of that conversation, be sure that you check out my personal channel. I'll leave the links and all of that good stuff below. But we're gonna test a couple of those hacks out right now, starting with some coffee, because it's fucking coffee time. All right, so I'm gonna place you right here on the shelf, get my toilet paper here. And to make this filter, I'm just gonna fold up like 10, 20 sheets of toilet paper. This looks like enough. Boom. About that much. You got it? This is our filter. All right, so we got our glass here, clear so you could see. Got some Italian roast here. Sending some love out to our Italian ThreadBanger family in this crazy time. Put that in there. It's about enough for a cup. Finger it there. And then you just slowly... Nope. It's burning my hands off. Nope. Did anything come through? No, not a fucking drop. Let's try this again. It's very absorbent, this toilet paper. It's going everywhere else. Okay, there we go. We're getting something now. Look at that. Check that shit out. Literally. Well, it's not really, but... Not bad for a dad hack. Ah. There's no grounds, nothing came through. That is some quality filterage. And I would say that's a medium dark roast. Cheers. This coffee tastes like dirt. Well, it was ground this morning. Ha! Oh, that was a terrible dad joke. Wait, is it still a dad joke if you're not a dad? Or is it just a bad joke then? It's a guy in his late 30s telling a bad joke. That's what it is. That's just sad. That's sad. It's a sad joke. That's what it is. Okay, all right, moving on. Cheers to hack number 1. Not too bad. Dad? Hack number 2 and 3. I don't have enough toilet paper for it, but I'll let you. I'll just let you listen, so just so you know them.
A lot of uses for toilet paper. It's amazing. You can wrap your house up in it. It'll protect your house or your trees.
Yeah. So if you ever need to protect your house and your trees, make sure you have some toilet paper. Hack 4, however, that's what's in the title. That's what we're getting around to right now. Cooking with toilet paper. And so we're gonna go outside right now and we're gonna cook some breakfast. All right, we are all set up. We got our we got our toilet paper. We got our little makeshift like cooking station out here in the middle of the backyard. Gonna throw that down there and get to cooking breakfast. Oh wait, I don't have a lighter. Hold up, I'll be right back. All right. I got butter, I got some seasonings, I got my eggs and bacon here, a little frying pan, and my ignition source. All right, lots of dry substances all around me, which doesn't make me feel so comfortable, but I do have an emergency bucket of water and you right there watching me. So if anything happens, call the police. All right. Here goes nothing. I'm putting it on top of this thing right here so that way there's enough air circulation to keep it going. We got a little bit of something here. Something's happening. Try to get all the sides here. Oh yeah, now we're cooking. Oh, hello. I'm gonna get some butter ready. Throw that in the pan. Try to relight that there. You would think that this would burn a little bit better, being paper and all. Get a little bit of something going. All right, if I flipped it over now, and that's actually, oh yeah. You know what, hold on, I'm gonna get a better lighter. This is what you need right here. You need like a real lighter. One of these butane joints. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're getting somewhere. A little smoky. Oh, and then here's the other thing he didn't tell me. It's good for smoke signals. If you ever need to do that. God, this stuff is, the uses for this stuff is fucking endless. Now that it's kind of getting down into the middle, this is actually creating like a really good amount of heat right now. No joke. I thought he was seriously bullshitting me. Why don't more people know about this? The butter has melted. It may take a while to cook this egg, but we're gonna try. All right, here we go. I'll tell you what, this actually has like a pretty good base temperature, and it's cooking it, and it's like not going anywhere. Let's see if I can get this other side lit a little bit more. Ooh, hello. Yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking. Look at that. That's a nice little flame right there. Now it's going. Damn. Yeah, look at that. It's creating that little cyclone right there of fire. That egg's almost done. That little cyclone of fire, that came out of nowhere. Look at that. Where did that come from? That's some like Benihana shit with the onion. Whoa. Getting a little windy here. Time to throw a little pepper in there. Man, it's like a little omelet. Check that out. Do a little French flip. Hey! All right, that's enough. Look at that, still going, like a champ. I don't know, it's been like at least 15 minutes. Boom, that's looking good. Actually, gonna throw a little bit of this bacon in there. This is awesome. Woo! Still super hot. Bacon bubbling up. Oh shit, here it is. Here it comes. You hear it? That's the bacon sizzling. Sizzling bacon in the backyard with some toilet paper. Oh, no, oh. God damn it. Oh no, the toilet paper is blowing in the eggs. God, oh. Son of, oh, and it's in the bacon. No. I just gotta cover it up. No, with the, oh Christ. Now this just turned into a mess. This was great a minute ago. Then one gust of wind. Oh, you gotta pick the pieces of the soot out of it. Oh, gross. But it's cooked, that's for sure. Oh, there's another little piece there. Get that out of there. Down the hatch, breakfast. Toilet paper eggs. Delicious. They're really not that bad. I was pretty hungry. And this is a well-cooked egg. Compliments to my dad. I know I'm not supposed to talk with my mouth full, but that motherfucker knows what he's talking about. Oh. Little piece of toilet paper right there. Ugh. Just adds to the taste a little bit. A little flavor. Love it. What the f is that? I'm living in the goddamn jungle back here. Is that egg or is that toilet paper? Lovely morning. All right, well, that's breakfast. Pretty good. He was right. That's crazy. So there it is. I mean, crazily enough, I didn't know that it was possible, but you can cook with toilet paper. You could filter your coffee with it, you could cook with it, you could wipe your ass with it, you could blow your nose with it. I mean, there's 1,000 things apparently that you could do with toilet paper. If you have any other crazy toilet paper hacks, leave them down in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Well, I hope that video didn't trigger anyone with burning half a roll of toilet paper. If it did, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take all of the AdSense that I make from this video, I'm gonna donate it across various charities benefiting COVID-19 victims and those affected by all of this madness. I'm gonna be leaving a bunch of links down below to people that we are contributing to, so help out and check out those down below. At this point in time, we all need to help each other, and apparently, at this point in time, it is my job to be an entertainer and take your mind off of this madness for 15 minutes or whatever this video turns out to be. Which brings me to my next point, head on over to my personal channel. There's plenty of things going on over there. I got a quarantine vlog and it's getting real weird. Oh God. Woo! Also, my Instagram. You should definitely be following me over there because I'm just throwing up middle fingers left and right. Have been for years. More ThreadBanger videos to come, most importantly, around here. So make sure that you're subscribed and we'll see you around here next time.